Hi, this is Baseball 27. This is Steve on the computer. This is Stampy's best friend, I would say. This is an iron golem. They can help you attack monsters. This is a oak plank house and cobblestone. This is sand. You can make windows out of them. And this is Minecraft on the Xbox 360. This is a mansion, I would say, but that's my opinion. This is Stampy. You can watch one of his videos. It's called My Stampy Cat. This is a Minecraft controller for Xbox. These are windows. You can place them in houses. This is an enchanting table. You can enchant any weapon except a hoe.